name is Bridget, or you might know me from TikTok as BSwift13. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY project for my best friend who's getting married. And I saw this idea from Deanna, who's a TikToker and YouTuber. It was for her sister's wedding when they went dress shopping. She made little wine glasses to look like dresses. So I'm stealing that idea. We did dress shopping. We're doing dress shopping again. Because she didn't say yes to it yet. So I started the bridesmaids ones for like a prototype. I haven't touched the bride one yet because I'm terrified. So Dollar Tree only had one big one. I wanted to get all of them to be like the big ones, not stemless, because I'm gonna have tulle around it to look like dresses, but we'll just be short little ones. And then for the bride, I'll have this maybe going all the way down. So this is what the finished product will look like. So let's get started. I'm gonna put an apron on because I like the sweatshirt. It's new. It says, I'm not a regular fan, I'm a Philly fan. Although you can't see Philly too well. But it's like the Mean Girls quote, I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. This is what the final product painted will look like. So it has the little like heart shape for to look like the sweetheart neck. And then I have some glitter glue around it too. So for the bridesmaids, I'm one of the maid of honors. There's two maid of honors, maids of honor. Maids of honor? Maid of honors. Maids of honor. It's like when you say sisters-in-law. You can't say sister-in-laws. That's incorrect. Anyway, the maids of honors are wearing like a sage green color, but the rest of the bridesmaids are wearing like a mauve pink kind of thing. So I just figured I would do pink for all of us, and then I'm gonna give to the moms too. So I'm using Craft Smart light pink acrylic paint. I'm just doing acrylic paint because I saw that you could paint acrylic on glass. I don't know. Maybe not. And then Craftology Rose Gold Glitter Glue for the trim. Celebrate It Tulle. It doesn't say a color. I don't know, pink. And so for the brides, I just have Rich Art white glitter glue from the same brand. To set the acrylic paint, then I got Mod Podge Satin Clear Acrylic Sealer. Oh my God, there's an Insomnia cookie in my supply bag. When did that get there? I forgot to say like and subscribe. Like and subscribe! To begin, we paint. I already painted some of these and I painted all of the bottoms so that I could like set them down. So I'm gonna get that line based on this one. I'm just gonna like match it. And then I'll just take my brush, just spin it around town until you connect to the other side. And then I'm just doing it, just going for it right on there. Then you'll paint the base. And I'll do a few coats then too. This is boring. Almost done. Yay! Okay, so that's coat one. I got all the supplies at Michael's. Besides the glasses, I got those at Dollar Tree. So that's coat one. Just a messy line is fine for now, just to get that outline. Yay! Okay, fill it in. Okay, so that is coat one for it. So it doesn't look great, but it will. I'm gonna start the bride one. I'm very nervous though. I'm scared. I don't want to mess this up. Although even if I would mess it up, she'd be like, I love it. So I'll still do it the same height, maybe a little lower. Fill in the white. These are gonna be really cute. Okay, now let's just go for it. Let's just do the boobs. What's a good spot? I'd say here, there's like a dip. I don't remember which way I was gonna go. I think this way. Well, it's this way now. Yay, so that's coat one. So it's not perfect at all this first time, but I'm gonna keep, it's gonna look more and more perfect as I do more coats. Okay, I'm actually getting tired and I don't feel like doing the tulle tonight. So I'm just gonna finish up the painting and then I will be back tomorrow, maybe, to do the tulle. Catch you then. It's been a year, over a year since I started that video of making these wine glasses. My friend's already married. Friend number 2 got engaged and we're going dress shopping tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to do these again. I painted a white long stemmed one. It's a little clumpy, so then I just decided it's gonna be texturized. Am I a bad friend? No, I'm just a poor planning friend. I also have a birthday party for my sister tonight and decided right now was the time to do it, so this is how I work. Anyway, I used gel glitter to do the little trim around the sweetheart neckline. But when I had them drying, like standing up, it started melting, so I recommend setting it down to dry. Yeah. So, so I have white glitter glue that I'll put around the trim of the white. Yay! Okay. So then we'll just let that dry. I'm watching iCarly. Hello, I'm back. These are all dry. So I have tulle, pink for the pink glasses, a glittery white for the bride. I had to repaint this. It looked really bad. At least there'll be a skirt to cover up that. Oops, they're not perfect. But she loves me, so that's okay. So measure out. This is a dumb angle. These are short stems, so I'm gonna have to fold it, but measure out how, I don't know how much I'll need. Oh, it's cute. It's like a little dress. I'll just keep layering on top of each other. Measure out the circumference. So it's like that big. So I'll give a little bit of room here. So I'm just like folding and layering on top of each other to get the pink color, and also so I don't burn myself when I use the glue gun. Okay, that should be good for now. I just realized I'm gonna have to do this 6 times and I don't want to. Okay, so I'm gonna start just putting like a little dot just to hold the place in the back. Boop. And start with that on the end. Be careful, don't burn yourself. And just keep putting it around so it's like a skirt. I think after every layer, I'm gonna keep putting a little dot just to secure it more and more. Keep turning it around. This is cute. Got it in the back. I'm gonna cut this extra piece because I don't want it. So the bottom looks super weird because it's short stem. So I'll like, should I do like a little design? That would be cute. This will be mine. This is the prototype. So I think just like cut slits in the bottom so that you can like fluff it up a little. On layer 1, cut all the way up to the top, and then that can be your fluffy layer. Yay! And now it's fluffy. Actually, I think with every layer, just cut it higher. So that's glass number 1. It looks like a little ballerina. Okay, let's try the brides. This one's so pretty. Look how glittery it is. We'll do the same thing. Oh my god, it's getting glitter everywhere. Oh well, never had too much glitter. So measure it around the glass. See how much you need. Let's give a little extra room right there. Now keep folding the tulle with that measurement until you get the color white you want. This way. Cut. Now just glue. We're having a party downstairs, that's why it's loud. Glue it right at the edge. And I'll do that again every round. Just put a little bit of glue each time I wrap it. It looks really weird, but trust the process. I'm just gonna snip and snip away. I don't think I like this. It's just up too high. I'm gonna redo and just put it lower. Okay, I like this better. I'm committing. That's pretty. That's much cuter. I'm gonna cut up really high and actually snip all those. Oh my god. There's so much glitter on me. Look at all that glitter. Good thing I like glitter. So it kind of like is all scrunched up. Ah, that's so cute. Okay, so the trick is to just cut cut the tulle, like slits in it, so that it fluffs it up. I'm a fan. Now I have to do the other 4 paint classes, so I'll be back. They're done, packed up, ready to go. Let's do this. Very well.